Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat One channel. Today I'll be unboxing this movie theater playset from my Life As brand. And you know it's gonna fit all 18-inch doll brands, including American Girl. And this one retails at only $25. You can purchase one at your local Walmart or at walmart.com. If you wanted to see what everything looks like up close, this is a video for you. Keep watching. And as I already mentioned, it will fit all 18-inch doll brands like Our Generation, American Girl, Journey Girls. They're all the same size. And I think $25 is a really good deal for the amount of stuff you get. If I'm not buying American Girl stuff, I usually buy Our Generation stuff because that's my #2 favorite 18-inch doll brand. But my Life As sometimes comes up with really interesting play sets. Last year, Kat reviewed their Boba tea set, and it even had slime to represent the tea, which I think was really cool. Anyway, if you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link to it in the description box below. And then there's another set that we reviewed that was a kitchen set that had an air fryer. Again, if you haven't seen it, I'll put the link to it in the description box below as well. And by the way, if you are new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content or any 18-inch doll content for that matter, but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. So now let's take a look at all the cute little accessories that this set came with. So this is the main piece, the stand itself, and it comes with two replaceable signs. You can change the look up a little bit, make it look a little bit different. You can even print out your own signs with the current movies. So I think that's actually quite a good idea. Let me show how you replace the signs. So this one says comedy night. So this one is spy, animal, cartoon, cinema. So yeah, they just kind of slide into that slot on the side right here, like so, and boom, it's a new look. The popcorn machine is super cute. It has this thing on the side so you could turn it around, and then there is a button on the side too, so it makes popcorn pop. So cute, very interactive. It is smaller than the popcorn machine that American Girl released in the past, but I think this is a good size. Pretty perfect. This machine does not require any batteries, and it still works, which I think is really cool. And now let's take a look at the register, which also doesn't require any batteries. This is what it looks like. It's like a computer screen where you can tap on different options for the menu. And the drawer, the bottom drawer comes out, so you could keep the money in there. There's a slot on the side of the screen for a credit card. You can swipe it right here. I think it's really cute, especially considering the price of this set. I was not expecting anything that required batteries. Now let's open the drawer and put our money in there. Fits right in. Oops. And I'm gonna put the movie theater tickets there as well, just so that they don't get lost. Now, next item is the menu, and you can see what this popcorn stand, movie theater stand has to offer. Pizza, popcorn, cheese sticks, pretzels, cupcakes, candy, hot dogs, pizza, nachos, chips, and drinks. So it's a pretty standard menu, and it's just printed on cardboard. And all the money came in one piece. Since I edited this video, I kind of filmed this before, and then I edited the part when they separated when I put them in the drawer. But yeah, they come in this one piece, and I strongly suggest cutting them. Of course, you can tear them into separate pieces, but if you cut them, you'll get nicer edges. It's up to you, whatever you prefer. I also like that the money is printed on kind of on thick cardstock, so it's not thin, it's not going to get damaged, and it's good for play. So we got 8 separate bills all together, and they're only printed on one side. Now, this set also comes with 4 movie theater tickets, which I'm about to show you right now. It says cinema admit 1. So you can also either cut or tear. It's up to you. And with tickets, I think you could really do both. Just because in real life, movie theater tickets sometimes have this kind of rough edge. And in this set, we also got 2 pairs of 3D glasses. One side's pink, one side's blue. They cute. I do like them. Of course, we got some popcorn as well. These are 2 popcorn buckets, which are completely 100% solid plastic. You can't take the popcorn out, but I think they look pretty cool and pretty realistic. This set also comes with 2 slushies, and let me show you the blue one first. You see it comes in 3 pieces that are detachable. You can take it apart or you can put it back in. And now the red one goes in just the same exact way. They are such a movie theater staple. We also got this pizza with removable toppings. It looks super cute, super realistic, and I like that you can customize the look by adding different toppings. However, never ever in my entire life I had a good pizza at a movie theater. Let me know in the comments what your experience is with movie theater pizza. Maybe I'm too spoiled because I live so close to New York City and, New York pizza is the best. But yeah, movie theater pizza kind of doesn't do it for me. This movie theater also comes with some snacks, and the first one is Tortilla Chips. It's a 3-dimensional snack. It's made out of this material. It's kind of like cardboard, but more thick. And the potato chips package is also made out of the same material. They don't open, but they are 3-dimensional and they look very realistic. And there are more typical movie theater stand items like pretzels, condiments, that kind of stuff. I actually like this hot dog. I'm surprised there's only one. So it comes in this paper plate. See, it comes out, and this is what this hot dog looks like. Very cute, realistic. I wish we had a second one in this set. And I gotta tell you, I do like movie theater hot dogs. I think they taste much better than movie theater pizza. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Let me show you some more items here. Mustard, ketchup. They don't open, but I think they're realistic enough. They're such cute props. They're so great for kids to play with. Yeah, I think they are very, very realistic looking items that you can also use in the kitchen if you want to. Next we got, what is this? Oh, it's gotta be cheese, right? Parmesan cheese. Okay, let me know in the comments what you think it is. I think that's what it is. This set also comes with 2 pretzels. They are cute, realistic. Again, no complaints here. You can see those white dots that are supposed to look like salt. Very, very cute. And there are quite a few items left in this set that I need to show you. So we got this plate of nachos. Again, I do like movie theater nachos. They aren't bad at all. And this set looks so adorable. Look at that sour cream on top. And you can take it out and, you can use these nachos in different sets. By the way, I'm really surprised that American Girl has never made a Mexican restaurant. That would be actually really, really cool. I think that would be such a good seller for them. Now the next item I'm guessing is mozzarella sticks, and it looks like one of them is kind of broken in half, and you can see the mozzarella cheese kind of in between. You know how when you pull it apart and there's cheese inside? Yum. There are a couple of sweet treats in this set as well. The first one is this pink cupcake, just one single cupcake. And there's this jar of candy. It opens, you can take the candy out, just like this. And this is it. This is the last item in this set. I hope this video answered all the questions you might have had about this set. deciding whether to purchase it or not. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, please do so. And turn on the notification bell so YouTube would always notify you when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.